Really hard for 6.
Brutal, isn't it? I don't envy you.
Same with me. I wake up like 4 o'clock then.
But now my body wakes up at 4 o'clock and I don't even have to be up.
Because you were waking up for 4 o'clock. That's why you were. You give yourself a routine.
Yeah. Well, I try to, but sometimes those, external forces come at you, don't they? This is the 30 zone.
Yeah. The speed is perfectly okay. 28. Speed control is getting better slowly.
It's
getting better.
It's that lower speeds that I'm struggling with at the moment.
Just with the practice.
Yeah. So the under 20s I find a little bit more harder to control.
You like faster speeds?
I don't know if it's that. I think it's the muscle control in my legs.
Okay.
Have more control when there's more of a range with 30, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
We're going to continue on straight here.
Okay. Well, with the practice you get better.
Yeah.
Without practice it's hard. Keep going ahead and then roundabout ahead. Second exit, please. See how you're going to do this roundabout, okay, without any help.
Sure.
So we're going to go ahead, second exit.
Cool. So, first things first, we need to make sure we're going in the right lane. It looks like there's only one lane at the moment, but once we're on the roundabout we need to be in the left-hand lane. We're taking the second exit to Skipton.
Sign you following?
It's signed to Skipton, straight ahead.
Okay. Where's your exit? Can you point out?
Straight ahead.
Okay.
Then. So that's number 1. That's number 2.
Good.
That's the 3, and this is number 4.
Okay.
So we're going to come up to the give way lane.
Okay. Your approach is okay, speed is fine, observation fine. I want to see your judgment now. That's good, well done.
Then we're going to indicate, check our mirrors.
Yes, good.
Okay.
It's nice.
And then put off.
And look at the left lane. What's happened in the left lane?
Something. I think we have more roadworks apparently.
Yeah.
We've got someone behind us.
So when we gonna come to the left?
So we're going to come to left after these cones.
After the last
indicate
cone.
left.
Yeah. Good.
And we're going to move into our left-hand lane.
Assess the new speed as well.
We're entering a 40 zone.
Yep.
And we've got an open road, so we can put a little pedal to the metal.
Yeah.
Just speed ourselves up. Keeping an eye on the right-hand lane for people going in and out, because this does merge in.
Good, well done. Good observation. Perfect. I keep going ahead now. So whenever you see a new sign, let me know then.
Sure.
Look at the new situation here. Situation change in 1 second.
In 1 second, yeah.
So I need to be alert all the time.
So we're in a 40 zone, but there's a 30 coming up, so we're going to keep observing that. Road merge up ahead. Lanes merge, sorry. And then the 30 sign is just up here. 10 minutes.
Okay.
There's no need to open it up, so we're just going to keep our speed.
My student passed with the commentary drive.
With the what drive?
Commentary drive. He was talking to himself like you.
Interesting.
Exactly. He said, thank you, Amber. I'm grateful because whatever you teach me, I was talking to the examiner, telling myself what to do, and he said great, and he's passed.
I mean, it's the way to do it sometimes, isn't it?
2 days ago, on 29th.
Congratulations to
Yeah,
him.
I'm happy. So he's professor in Leeds
The
Uni.
physics you said, wasn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, he's professor. He finished his PhD a few years ago, and so he teach in Leeds Uni, and he's passed.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, look at the light we're gonna.
Let's slow our boats down. Here we're going to keep an eye on the left hand as well, as I happen to.
Yeah. Yeah. Because they know the examiner, they don't know us. Like on the test day, they only we drive with them for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So he said when I was talking to myself, then he know what I'm gonna do next.
Yeah.
And he said you're a
Helps
safe
him to
driver.
understand sort of
He said,
what he's doing
you are a safe
as well.
driver.
Yeah.
After this crossing, next traffic light, we are turning left.
Sure. Just do it after this petrol station.
So you don't go on TikTok?
No Facebook, no Instagram.
Oh my God, why?
It's just a waste of
Turning left.
time. It's just not for me, I think.
What about your wife? And
Yeah,
the
she
next
loves
right.
it. She loves it.
Next right,
Yep.
please.
Yes.
Go slowly so you can assess the situation
Sure.
here. You missed the turn. It's
Oh,
okay. We're gonna
okay.
come round. It's okay.
Do you want me to take this right?
Yes, this right. That's the car park.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we turn right here. And then we're gonna go ahead, please. Keep going ahead.
I do apologise.
No, it's fine.
My wife loves TikTok and all
Okay.
the social medias.
So I've got my channels there.
Yeah.
Amber Driving School. If you go on it, you'll see
You'll see
all
me.
video. Yeah, your video as well.
Oh, I'm an
Like your
internet
speed.
star.
Yeah. Keep a good speed here. So you don't see like you don't watch your own videos.
No.
Oh. Keep going ahead. End of the road left. So TikTok is nice. Just
I think for
install the
some
app.
people it is.
It's not bad.
Well, I think it depends how you look at
Sometimes for learning wise, just go on like different driving school and you just watch the video. Then give end of the road we are turning left.
it. Oh,
Left. It's okay.
that's okay.
Okay. So no TikTok, no Facebook, no Instagram.
No
nothing.
Instagram.
So what you do in your spare time?
Reading.
Oh.
Working.
Which book is really good for reading? Give me idea.
Oh, I mean, I probably have a very different taste to you.
Which book you like?
What have I been reading at the moment? There's always the classics. My favourite book of all time is The Hobbit by
Hobbit.
J.R.R.
The road's
Tolkien.
bent to the
Yes.
left.
Yeah.
It's my daughter's favorite. This book.
It's
Hobbit.
such an incredible book. and I
Yeah,
read it so before
she's
at the
reading
time.
freak as well. She's read all the time.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then I've been reading some stuff on
So why you like Hobbit? What's
The Hobbit. I just think,
Is a story book?
it's a storybook. It's a fictional book. It's one of these grand adventures that really created a world.
Okay.
So this idea of fantasy all stems from J.R.R. Tolkien and
Okay.
the way that he created and the way that he worked that world into existence.
Okay.
But I do like a lot of non-fiction as well.
Okay.
So 5,000 Years of Debt by David Graeber is really good.
Okay. End of the road, we are turning left.
Sure.
So give me a few good names or send me a message, okay?
Yeah, of course. I'll see what I have in my
Yes.
my repertoire.
Okay.
There's a good few short reads. Obviously, you know,
Yeah.
at my masters I did sort of critical theory, and a lot of that revolves around sort of language
Okay.
and how we work with pieces of text, specifically sort of
Okay.
more short form content. So Heart of a Dog, Russian literature.
Here
is
we slow
really
down
good.
and then
Yeah.
we're gonna turn left in
Not this
second
one, the next
left.
one.
Second
Yeah.
left. That's the car park.
Yes.
Hook car park, or we go Hickories and then we're gonna practice our forward bay park on left here. Okay, so what was you saying about books? We're gonna turn left. When you turn left, go slowly because the area is not smooth.
Okay.
And then next left here,
Sure.
this area. They're all coming here now because they are not allowed in Asda.
You're gonna get banned from here soon as well.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, keep going ahead,
Fantastic.
please.
Take the right.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead there. First of all, just do me a forward bay park on your right. So we
Sure.
refresh that and then we're gonna start with the new subject.
I'm just gonna